안녕하세요. Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you two types of ssamjang. Classic Korean ssamjang and a unique Greek style version. One is savory and full of deep flavor, while the other is light and refreshing. Which one do you think will taste better? Let's find out. Ssamjang is one of the most popular sauces in Korea. It's made by mixing fermented doenjang and gochujang with various ingredients, creating a rich, savory packed sauce. Thanks to its deep flavor, it's perfect for dipping vegetables, wrapping with rice in lettuce, or eating with grilled meat and pork belly. In Korea, ssamjang is a must-have for barbecue. Greek-style tzatziki is made with Greek yogurt base combined with cucumber, dill, garlic, olive oil, lemon, salt, and pepper. It has a refreshing, tangy taste that makes any dish feel light and fresh. How to make ssamjang? Finely minced garlic. Mince garlic just before using for the best aroma and flavor. Cut 1 to 2 green onions in half lengthwise, then slice them thinly. Finely chop a small amount of onion. If you like spice, finely chop 1 hot chili pepper. If you prefer a milder taste, you can skip this. If you have almonds, chop them finely. Adding nuts helps to balance the saltiness and enhances both nutrition and flavor. If you don't have almonds, other types of nuts work too. To make ssamjang, add 3 tablespoons of doenjang and 1 tablespoon of gochujang in a bowl. Chop the green onion, chop the onion. Then add a half tablespoon of minced garlic. If you like a bit of heat, you can also add 1 tablespoon of chopped chili peppers. Chop the almonds, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of roasted soybean powder if you have it. To balance the flavors, add 2 tablespoons of rice syrup or honey and 2 tablespoons of water. Once everything is combined, mix well. And that's it. Your deeply savory and flavorful ssamjang is done. It's perfect as a dipping sauce for vegetables or as a flavor addition to lettuce wraps with grilled meats. How to make a Greek-style ssamjang, tzatziki. Grate half a cucumber finely. Use strainer to squeeze out the excess moisture. Don't throw away the cucumber juice. It's refreshing and great for hydration. Finely chop fresh dill. While cucumber is optional, dill is essential for the authentic tzatziki flavor. In a bowl, add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, grated cucumber with the excess water squeezed out, chop fresh dill, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, drizzle in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, season with a pinch of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you prefer a slightly sweeter taste, you can also add 1 teaspoon of honey. This is optional. Once all the ingredients are in, stir everything together until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Your light, tangy, and refreshing tzatziki sauce is ready. It's perfect for dipping, spreading, or pairing with vegetables and salmon. Even people who don't usually like vegetables end up enjoying them when dipped in tzatziki. It's also great on fresh salmon, making it light and flavorful without getting overwhelming. For special occasions, serve it as a part of vegetable platter for guests. It's a fantastic appetizer. Honestly, I thought ssamjang would be the clear winner, but tzatziki is surprisingly delicious too. Since I'm Korean, I'll always be eating ssamjang, but now I think tzatziki will be something I crave from time to time as well. Which ssamjang do you like more? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye!